In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a domain name to your Shopify. So you can see that the current store that we have does not have a Shopify domain name. Let's change that. Make sure that you are in the Shopify dashboard. Go to the bottom left corner right here, click on it. Once you are there, search for the section that says domains. Should be right here. Click on the domain section. And as I mentioned previously, this is the current domain name that we have. That means that our Shopify store does not have a domain name. Now there's two options to do this. We can either buy a new domain name, which is the easiest way to do this. So let's say that I have example store 123. I should be able to find this domain name right here inside of Shopify. Just click on buy and you're good to go. Shopify will connect it automatically. Or in the other case where you have a domain name, maybe in Namecheap or GoDaddy, click on connect existing domain name, type in that domain name, and just after a few seconds, you should look at this page. Now, right here, the process is quite simple. Just log in into your provider, whether that's Namecheap or GoDaddy, look for something called DNS records, and then you will look for a plus button. Once you find that plus button, you will look for the type txt, change the name to whatever name they have right here. The value, you will change it to this one. So this one, you will have to update it instead of add one new one. This one, you will have to remove this type of record, is called A. And this one, you will have to update them as well. So from this value to this value, and from this value to this value. Once you have done that, all you will have to do is click on I updated DNS records and you are good to go. Thanks for watching.